Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is a short video and it is an announcement for my upcoming workshop. So it will be on the 17th, 18th and 24th, 25th June 2023. So it is a 4-day workshop and each day we have a 5-hour session. So this is the contents of the workshop. We have 6 examples and we will start with an introduction to the fundamentals of finite element method. So as you can see, these are the 6 examples that we will cover: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These are some of the points that we will discuss and you will learn during the workshop. Of course, there are other points, but these are the highlights. And for general information about the workshop, you can read from these slides. And if you are interested to register, then you can use the Google form through the link below. That's all from this short video. Thank you very much and I hope to see you during the workshop. Have a good day.